with 18 years of research experience. 8 research scholars has completed PhD and 6 research scholars are pursuing PhD under his guidance. He has completed 3 funded projects offered by AICT RPS, Government of India, and consultancy work of worth 23 lakhs. He has filed 3 patents to his credit and he has published 134 research papers in journals and conference with good citation index of 166, of H index 8 and I10 index of 5. He has received a dedicated service award by Freescale System and Best Technology Driven Research Award from KCT twice, and Outstanding Service Award from IAJIT Journal and Anonymity IPR Award of 2019. He has completed AUCAPR and CAPAM certificate course on IPR and patent drafting. He is Innovation Ambassador of MHRD IIC for IPR and technology transfer. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Surya. Is it audible? Is it audible? Surya?
Audible, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Surya, shall I start my screening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can start presenting, sir. Sir, it's visible. You can start, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Mm-hmm. Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Good evening to one and all. Sorry for the interruption. So today, for this webinar series on innovation to startup, this is the second day. We
Sir,
are.
hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, it's clear now.
Okay, okay. So in the second day, we will see about the topic called IPR, intellectual property rights and patent filing. Before we get into our actual topic, we will view one simple video. So you watch this video. After this, have you come across such situation that you want to give some solution for this type of incidents you might have come across? If you are able to define or if you are able to find solution for this type of problems, then it is nothing but intellectual property. So that is what we are going to discuss about today's session. Hope my voice is audible. One of you help me. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank
you
you.
can close the participant list in the right corner, sir, so viewers can view your entire screen.
Sorry.
Just close the chat participant list at your right corner, sir, so that everyone can see your full screen, sir.
Full screen is not visible.
It is in full screen only, sir. Just close the participant list in your Google Meet.
Sir, you can present, sir. No issues, sir.
I am not able to see that the closing window of that particular list of participants.
Sir, you
Okay,
open the
sir.
presentation, sir.
Please continue.
Please continue, sir.
Huh? Okay. So here, today we will say about the intellectual property rights and patent filing. So here we know different types of property available, say movable, immovable, and another category that is a very new for us, that is called intellectual property. You know about movable or immovable, which are tangible. You can sense, you can feel, you can have, like that. Visibly, it's clearly known to you. But another property that is called intellectual property, which is intangible, and the name itself, you can identify that it is created by our intellectual. If you are able to think and design and do something different with respect to or when compared to conventional usage, then that is called intellectual property, and it should satisfy some conditions that we will see one by one. We have different types of IPRs. And about the nature of intellectual property is concerned, if you see creation of humankind or human mind or through intellect, your thinking, and which is intangible. And so by using IPR, The exclusive rights can be given by some body of governments or statutory body like that, with some limitation and exception. Similar to movable or immovable property, some limitations are there, but here some other limitations are there. That also we will see. And which is time bound. If you have land or car or pen or mobile phone, it's forever, it's for your own. So owner, you are the owner forever till you sell, right? But in this case, time bound up to certain time, that's called a term here in technically. We can call it as a term period. So that is also some exception. And territorial, territorial in the sense, suppose if you are able to develop a patent or copyright of different types of IP, if it is filed in the say India or government or country, if it is filed and registered with Indian government, then it is territorial bound only applicable for India. If you want to go for some other country, then you need to go for filing with those respective countries. So these are territorial. These are some characteristics or property of intellectual part. One of the definitions says, see here, intellectual property can be defined as something produced by the mind of which the ownership of or right to use may be legally protected by using different categories, say copyright, patent, trademark, etc. So very important concept here is how your intellectual idea or intellectual property created can be protected. So some protection mechanism should be there so that you can do lot of wonders by using IPs. So intellectual property includes industrial, literary, and artistic work as well. By using intellectual property, see various options are there. Literary, artistic, and scientific works, this comes under copyright. Performance of performing artist, phonogram or broadcast, this also comes under category of copyright. Then inventions, so that is more applicable for us. That is what our most of the sessions covers only, mainly on copyright and patents. So scientists or the people like us can go for inventing new things and scientific discoveries. Industrial designs, design part also nowadays plays a major role when compared to a few decades back. And another new category and all, trademark, service mark, and commercial names and designations. See, trademark you might have seen, say TM or registered trademark, that and all. Now many companies are doing only service, not on manufacturing, nothing. So service marks also very important. That is also covered here. And very important useful of IP is protection against unfair competition. Now you know the competition around the globe is not at all fair. Many things are, many infringements are going on. We will discuss about the infringement. That is using the IPs without the permission from the owner, right? Permission from the owner. That is called unfair competition. From that you can safeguard your IPs. And all other rights resulting from intellectual activity in industry, science, literatures, artistic field, everything. So these are the things given by WIPO, that is discussed and concluded in the WIPO convention. We will discuss about the WIPO, World Intellectual Property, later. Why IP protection is required? See, you can have your own IP. You are the owner. Right over invention. Rights means various rights are there. Manufacturing, sales, marketing. Likewise, many rights are there. It will vary, depends upon the IPs. Capital expenditure for new products. How can you know that whether to be invested or not in this product? If it is granted patent, if it is a worth, then you can invest. Otherwise, no use. And also you can think about R&D and marketing and advertisement. So whatever the investment you want to do, then IP is required. Nowadays, more and all the companies are moving towards IPs. Earlier, if you see very less, I will give the statistics of IP filing in India during last part of our session. By the time you can know how it is developed nowadays. The basic thing is we are very much lack of awareness. So that is what these programs are nowadays more popular. More programs are going on everywhere. Almost all education, even schools also. And another advantage is no freeloaders. See, just infringement of people's copycat marketing like that. So without the permission from the owner, all will be using duplicate products like that. Maintaining loyal followers, that is another thing. After with these, finally you can get some better profit. Similar to other property, you can sell this IP, purchase, lease or rent. You can give a donation or gift. You can assign this to somebody else. When this assignee or assignment will be helpful, no? Suppose you are developing a product, you are going to file a patent or file a copyright or register a copyright. By the time you may not be available here. So during 1 year or 2 year going for some abroad, in that case, you can assign somebody. So in that case, that assignment also will be can be done. And about IP law, since 1957, our Indian government has developed several steps to go for Copyright Act, patent, design, trademark, geographical indication, semiconductor integrated circuits layout. See, that is in the 2000. After the development of semiconductor industry or solid state industry in the electronics field. And finally, see the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001. Hope you know a few nearly two decades back, for our traditional plants from USA, they go for patent right. They register for patent right. Hope you know the neem, turmeric, these and all medicinal values for us. In our case, 2000, 3000 old heritage is there over those products. We know our forefathers, ancestors. So, but these people, they go for granting patents for those products. So that is why we go for 2000, the Protection of Plant Varieties, the law for that. In 2001, again we proposed and we have given enough inputs that we have traditional plants, traditional things of our Indian heritage and culture. But now it's revoked and no more patents on those neem or turmeric and other such area. So that is why this in 2001 this plant protection law and all created. So this is the history of our IP India. These are the major categories of IPRs. See, industry and copyright. In industry only we have varieties, industrial design, you know, nowadays aesthetic look, that is a design. Just by you seeing the design itself, you can easily identify this as a Coca-Cola bottle. And the trademark, Coca-Cola that or any other trademark you see, patent, trade secret, apart from trademark and service mark, trade secret also there. Suppose for example, some secret of your marketing or your company manufacturing side or mixer of this, preparing this Coca-Cola or this type of drinks or any other secret to be maintained, then you can register. When this secret will be useful means, in case of any issue, by the time they will open and disclose your registered things, if it is matched with your argument, then you can be a winner in that legal part. That is why it will be helpful. Geographical indication, you know, the certain products are very popular in that geographical area: Kashmir apple, Kolhapuri chapel, Nagpur orange, and so on like that. Similarly, layout design of semiconductor ICs and plant varieties, these are all we have seen, and copyright related things. So among these, we will see very much on copyright and patent. Very simple, easily you can identify how IP will be held for this particular product. If you take a pressure cooker, what are the IPs applicable for this case? That is, say if you take a overall picture, overall idea of about the pressure cooker. So how it is structured, how the pressure will be released, what about the weight, how the pressure valve is designed, this and all comes under patent. Aesthetic look of this particular pressure cooker. Say you can see the design part. So this is different than Hawkins. So this is almost similar to Prestige, you know. Hawkins is totally different. So that is a separate design. So for that they have a patent. And copyright simply catalog, booklet, or user manual. This and all comes under copyright. And trademark, say this is a product of TTK, or you can have or Premier, like that. Prestige, then its logo, symbol, like that it comes under trademark. So likewise, if you take a particular one single product, you can have more number of IPs. Then we will get into the copyright part. So copyright, you know, many, we know the copyright means immediately we know means books, textbooks. Apart from this, several things are there. So monuments, some architecture, singers, performers, computer or software. We will discuss about the computer software also, which is quite important for us. And sound recording part, cinematograph films. If you take a cinematography or a cinema, variety of copyrights are there. Variety of IPs can be filed. Different category they can file. Many legal issues are going on now. You know that between Ilayaraja and SPV, and certain things does not protect under copyright. Individual words, simple words. You coin some words that cannot be. But even though it is intellectually written by you, short phrases or slogans, familiar symbol or design, so well known to everyone, that cannot be. Mere variation of typographic, ornamentation, lettering, different wordings or word art and all we have seen, no, that and all cannot be. Mere listing of ingredients or contents for a given product, that and all cannot be. And if you go for the rights, when you file or register a particular copyright, it comes under two categories of rights: moral right and economic right. Moral right related to the author, inventor or owner of that particular product, the fame, name given to the particular person because of that copyright. And another thing is monetary benefit, economic rights, monetary benefits, say manufacturing, distribution, then reproduction. Likewise, you can think about two types of rights. If you see the ownership of rights, copyright, who need to go and register for copyright? Person or organization who add substantial creative, technical or organizational skill to bring the work to public. So composer in the case of music, say for example, is Ilayaraja. So he is the owner, but under him many singers, many artistic workers are there. For them they give salary. Then he will get the ownership. That is a one way. Otherwise, suppose a singer want to go for copyright, then say performing artist can himself or herself can go and get the copyrights, register for copyright. And producers of recording, Sony Music, T-Series, like that. And broadcasting organization, several nowadays communicating channels, say FM or any audio, video, TV channels and all, they can go for separate one for their thing. And these are the certain ownership of each and every category. Author for literary books and dramatist for drama, composer likewise, you can see. And in the case of copyright, expressions, you need to express in your way of intellect. Through your intellectual idea, you need to express the thoughts. Then you can go for copyrights, not mere ideas. And another thing is infringement. I told about infringement without knowing your knowledge they are using. They are reprinting the books without your knowledge. So in that category, certain things are not comes under infringement. Research study for educational purpose. Suppose we are photocopying our materials for to learn by students to as a study material, that and all not comes under infringement. Few decades back, I think 15 years back, it was an infringement. Even photocopying in educational institution, very popular court legal case made in the our Supreme Court in the Delhi University case. So name is called the Delhi University case. If you just Google the Delhi University case, if you want to know more, so there the judgment is, so it can be given for research or now education purpose, it's allowed for limited one up to student level. Then in turn, student if they distribute or making money, that is the infringement again. So organization can do, non-profit organization. So for criticism purpose, reporting certain events, judicial purpose, performance to a non-paying audience. In those cases, if your material, if your copyrighted materials are used, then that is not considered as an infringement. So almost IP is another type of law. Like if we engineers like involved in the IP area, then we can call it as a techno lawyers. It will be more appropriate word. Then the duration of copyright term. So what about the, see, for the case of literary, dramatic, musical and artistic, these copyright owners have life plus 60 years. Do you know that MS Subbulakshmi, her products, her cassettes are still earning money, and certain area is donated to our Tirupati Devasthanam. Still it's going on. Certain amount is going as a profit for them. And all other category except the first one, all other categories, it's the term is 60 years of the period. So I told the nature of IP, no, that is a time bound. This is the called time bound. 60 years for life for literary, dramatic, these cases, and all other cases, say posthumous, anonymous work, material is available after that, the copy owner is no more, there is a died, like this, work of government organization, cinema and sound recording, this and all, photography, this and all, 60 years only. After 60 years, what will happen after 60 years, after the term? It will be made to, given as a public asset. Anybody can be used, anybody can use the copyrighted material without getting any permission. That is called a term or duration. Now we will get into the most important area called patent. So very, very important for especially as a technical people, it's easily you can think about patent. As per the definition, we can think a patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention, which is a product or process that provides a new way of doing something or offers a new technical solution to the problem. So for a given problem, if you find a new solution, see the very important word is called a new solution, and I will give the set of conditions to be satisfied, then only it can be called as a patentable idea. It is a limited monopoly right granted, and this is also territorial bound, and you can do all type of rights, manufacturing, selling, likewise, and the patent term or period is only 20 years. After 20 years, it became a public asset. Anybody can do. During 20 years, you can do whatever you want with that patent. Suppose you have a new idea. Here, say, you are finding a solution for a typical problem, then it should satisfy 3 conditions, say novelty, inventive step, and industrial application. Once these conditions, apart from this, some more constraints are there that I will give in the following slides. So once the conditions, the prescribed conditions are satisfied, then you can make a document, techno-legal document. So similar to document of your asset of your land or movable or immovable asset, no? Similar to that, you can create a techno-legal document that's called drafting. That should be submitted statutory body of government, any government, for us Indian government, IP India. Then after certain process examination, they will take some more time, and within few years, 2 to maximum 3 to 5 years it will take to grant the patent. Once after checking whether these conditions are satisfied, then apart from this, they will examine very thoroughly and whether this is a patentable idea and we can give patent, they decide and finally grant to you. Meantime, once you start applying this idea to the IP office, you can start commercialization or any monetary thing, licensing or commercialization, production, manufacturing, anything do on that particular product. Up to 20 years from the date of filing. And the field of invention, any restriction, no, any field, anybody can work. Electronics, communication, biotechnology, everywhere, Ayurveda, Siddha, anything. So safety pin to satellite, very simply, if you want to speak. Okay? Then what actually, still some more thing we will see. What are the rights you have? You can make use this product, sell this product, offer to sell. That means offer to sell means you are giving license to others to sell the product. Import the patented products or process, anything. Two things we can keep in mind. One can be called as a product patent and another one is called process patent. Product is physically available on equipment like, new equipment like. Process is, if you process in that flow, then you will get some benefits. That is process flow. So process flow of making a typical clay or some medicines or some new type of mixture, that is a paints like that. If you mix the chemicals in a particular proportion, then with the temperature likewise, if you create a process for that, then that is a patent. Who can apply? Who are eligible? Anybody. There is a no age limit. Anybody can apply. Here only we can think about know about the assignee. I already told, or any legal representative. In case of deceased inventor, after his death, anybody can suppose already he has made some agreement. Then through that legally he can represent his property. As per our law, that means rules, law of IP, invention, what actually invention means. So here you should know what is invention. Then only from here only you should be very careful how we can conclude that our idea is patentable or not. Invention means a new product or process involving an inventive step and capable of industrial application. New product with some inventive step and with industry application. These three things are very important. That is what given here. So invention must relates to a process or product. For both the case, you can go for patent. It should be new or novel, non-obviousness. It should not be used anywhere. And involves inventive step. What's inventive step? Some technical advancements. Say for example, if you take a simply fan, if you are invent new type of fan with the same power or same energy consumption, it can run faster, it can blow more air, then that is an inventive step, though it is a similar product when compared to other things. And capable of industry application, should be able to manufacture, should be useful to everyone. Then not fall under, say, section, a variety of sections are there. We will discuss only the section 3 and 4 very briefly. It should not fall, comes under the section 3 and 4. And very, very important is, it should not be disclosed anywhere till now in the form of fair, competition, hackathon, say a journal or conference like this. So after filing only you need to disclose. This is what we have made. Many people we do mistake. Before filing we have published. In that case, it's not at all patentable, though it satisfies all other things. So these are the three doors: novel, inventive, useful. Once these three doors are open, that is a patentable, then you can get the more chances for patents. Invention must not be published in India or elsewhere. That is what I think new means. These are the things. In prior public knowledge or prior public use within the India, any published materials. Inventive step, say, involves technical advancement, have economic significance or both. Technical advancement or economical part. And makes the invention not obvious to a person skilled in the art. Experts, if they heard about that word, oh, it's very new. In that way, they need to say, then only it's possible. Industrial application means invention is capable of being made or used in any kind of industry. So manufacturability should be there, that's all. Applications. So many, we will see some more examples so that easily you know that we can also go for filing patent. See, very simple, patentable, say, clips, paper clip. I will show the worthiness of these paper clips and other patents also. So very simple application, simple invention. They got patent. See, when the paperclip was patented by the Norway simple man John Wheeler in Germany, 1899 itself they got. So what is the application can be used? What is the inventive step? It's a totally new product. Till that time, we have used paper clipping, punching means no stapler or pin and all by that time. We have to use one paper, a needle and thread. We have to type. That's the one way. So here, what is the inventive step is? This is also same use for bunching purpose only, but that can be done by using thread and needle, no? But what is the case for, what is the inventive step here? Without damaging the paper. That is the inventive step. For that only they got patent. Still we are using. See, Scotch tape, zipper, simple application, simple invention. The paper clip, the total value is $80 million for this simple paper clips. 400 paper clip patents are there worldwide. Very old at the time, 1931, Thomas Alva Edison got 389 patents and one on lamp and electric power, 195 on phonograph, and many more. We cannot think about even. Now we are conducting more awareness program like this, but 1930 itself, they got more number of patents, Edison. Still his family is earning money because of our lamp. When we switch on the lamp or when we purchase, they got money. So that is the royalty income. And valuation IPR. What is the value? Why this IPR? Asset, property, how can you say? See, Mercedes-Benz S-Class, 340 design patents. It's a very old, now it's totally more number of designs are there, patents are there, only design patents. Gillette Mach 3 is protected by 35 patents. Coke has worth of $33 billion. Jet Airways 33 crore. So, meantime, we will see one more video. Is the advertisement of a few years back. You might have seen this advertisement. What it says: advertisement is made through IPs. At last, you might have heard the word 80, more than 80,000 patents they have all put together, all design, all the different types of patents we have seen, no? Design, IP, trade secret, trademark, like that. They have more number of patents. With that patents only, they are evaluating their company's worth. If you take Apple iPhone technologies nowadays, Apple holds 7,000 patents. And in the touch technology, only they have more than 200 patents. Now it's moving up. And another thing is, anybody can patent, no? Youngest patent holder on wheelchair is wheelchair bound 9-year-old boy, Hridayeswarar Singh Bhati. He has developed a circular chessboard. So actually playing game, a new type of game board, that is an equipment. By using that, 6 members can, or more than 2 members can play in a single chessboard. For that, he got a patent. So this and all, some inspiration or motivation for us. Why don't we think about patent or application of patent? Hope everybody will be much more interested on this particular patent. Electronic stump got patent in 2010 and is filed on 2009. Sorry, 2009 priority date, 2010 filed, and around 2013, I think, got patent. Similar to everyone, the Ackerman, Bronte Ackerman, watched a particular cricket match. By the time they got some idea, why don't we think about this electronics, embed some electronic sensors, LEDs, bulbs, and other things, sensors. Then it's worth now. Every set of stump worth is 25 lakhs. Normally they use 2 sets of stumps. So 50 lakhs is earning for Bronte Ackerman. So after say this, the things are going for manufacture and everything. So you can think about the money he earns. So this is the innovative thinking. This is the creativity thinking. If you focus solution for the problem, definitely you can become a patent holder soon. I told all the things, Gillette, this and that. So I told about certain things are non-patentable. In that case, section 3 comes under that category. So nearly more number of things are there. Certain things cannot be patented. Apart from this 3 major rules, that is a novel, inventive application, industry application, these conditions should not meet. That means, say section 3A, frivolous or against law. If the product is developed against law, natural law, then it cannot be. And B, so gives contrary to public order or morality, gambling game or adulteration method, that and all cannot be patented. Discovery, mere discovery, abstract theory cannot be. Mere mixer, by mixing say water and kerosene, for example, but with some efficacy or efficiency, with some innovative results, then it is patentable, otherwise not patentable. Mere arrangement or rearrangement of products. The same product, if you embed some 2 things by keeping a, say for example, umbrella with fan, some usefulness, some efficacy, or some results should be there. That is where it can be. Method of agriculture cannot be, but at the same time, say similar to method of agriculture, method of surgical or medical operation or cesarean type of diagnosis methodology and all cannot be patented, But at the same time, you can, if any products or equipments are manufactured for this purpose, agriculture or medicinal side, that is patentable. Then plant and animals in the same natural things, that cannot be. Mathematical game or program, algorithm cannot be. Algorithm means computer program, very, very important. See, computer program or algorithm software or patentable or can be patented in America, USA. But in India, except America, almost all the part of world, you cannot go for filing patents on those computer algorithm. But that depends upon each and every individual country's decision. So they keep that as an invention, but we don't say that is not an invention. Instead, if you want to go for, suppose anybody have software, you want to go for a filing patent, then you add those software with hardware. You implement that software along with hardware, then you can go for filing patents. And literary, dramatic, this and all comes under copyright, so cannot be patented. So playing game or method of playing game, likewise the chessboard is patentable, but the methodology of playing game in the chessboard is not patentable. And some presentation, some monotonous presentation or some here and there, you can vary the modulation of your with those type of presentation or these things you cannot go for patents. Then topography, just so topography ICs, PCBs, that's not possible. With some technical details, it's patentable. That's a separate category. Traditional knowledge, that cannot be. This is the basic reason we got that revoking of patent for neem and turmeric. Traditional knowledge, age-old things, that cannot be. If it is already under use, that cannot be. And section 4 gives, say, invention falling with the atomic energy, that cannot be patented. Anything related to defense, that cannot. It's all given to the government. And now we go for a very important area, how to go for patent filing. For that, patent application is important. How to file, what are the types of application, where to file, this and all we will see now. There are different types of patent application that can be filed. That is, one is called a national phase, or in our own country, that's called ordinary application. If we have any patent, so that's a very small, that will be applicable for our India only usage or application. Then you can go for national, simple ordinary application. In that application, we have subsequently you can do some more changes. Then that can be done through 2 ways. One is patent of addition. If that new idea or existing patent is well related to that patent, then you can think about patent of addition application. If you feel that that new idea is entirely different than the existing patent, that is called patent of division or divisional application. Through that you can file. At present, you don't bother about patent of addition and division application. Let us think about ordinary application, right? And another thing is, suppose your application, your invention is applicable for international level, all other countries, or specific to particular country. Then for international filing, you can have 2 options. One is called convention application, and another one is called PCT, Patent Cooperation Treaty. So convention, very limited number of countries, it's okay. If you want to go for more number of countries, then PCT will be better. So at present, we are not touching about this convention and PCT. If you have any specific doubt, we will discuss later. And in the patent prosecution or patent or IP management, date and nowadays time is also very, very important, because where suppose 2 patents, similar patents are filed by different people with a different date, then in case of infringement, in case of legal part, who will win? Who filed the patent earlier. So earlier the better always. So date, time is very, very important. So this particular date of filing the application first time, then that technical term is called the priority date. So very, very important. Stages of filing up to grant. See, these are the various stages. So you have an idea. It should be inventive, novelty. It should find some application. Then you can think about filing. Provided you need to go for search, patentability search. So we discussed about novelty. It should be new. How do you say that this is new? That by using search. So already whatever the patent or IP filed till now, all are placed under some depository in each and every country, or sometimes some latest corporate softwares are available, search softwares are available that links all such patent search database, and through which you can easily search. That is a somewhat costlier, but open source also available. We will discuss very little bit on patent search later. Then after that, you can file your patent. Apart from this filing application types, you can, if you take an ordinary application in a particular country, you can file it in two ways. One is called provisional filing, and another one is called complete specification, or provisional specification and complete specification. Provisional file specification with a simple terms and conditions, with simple description, you can file it. Suppose you have an idea. In order to maintain priority, you want to file it earlier, you should go forward when compared to your competitors, then you can immediately go and file with simple description. But at the same time, in complete specification, so the provisional filing is not over. As far as the filing is concerned, you need to complete the specification filing within 1 year from the date of provisional filing. Then only your complete specification or filing of patent process is over. So you have 1 year time till that you can develop the process and product, experiment it. Finally, you can go for complete specification. Then once it is filed, then you can go for publication of that particular patent in the journal, patent journal. So here also two options are there. Usually 18 months will take to publish in a particular journal, or the patent journal of Indian Patent Journal, or if you publish your material or patent in the patent journal early, then you have to pay early publication fee. Within a month it will be published, otherwise it will take 18 months. Request for examination. So within 48 months you need to, so I am telling more in terms of months, time, day, timing and all very precisely. Very, very important, you need to follow. Request for examination within 48 months, that is 4 years from the date of filing, provisional or complete. It should be filed for request for examination. Then only they will consider for examination. Then during examination, they will do all the analysis, whether it is a patentable or not. Then they go for, in between, see, your patent already published in the journal. So by the time, everybody can see your patent, whether it is a new or not. Suppose you are also one of the competitors for that particular patent, it is almost similar to your patent, then you can object. This is it's similar to my patent. I have already published like this journal, so it's already under use. Likewise, some section you can take over, and that is called pre-grant opposition. That means after grant, you can go for option, that is a post-grant or pre-grant. Opposition always possible. So this is almost a law, like no one can have monopoly rights if there is a scope for opposition. So these are the entire process from idea or to post-grant opposition. Everything, timing things are there. So this gives overall flow chart for filing of patents. So in the specification part, say after filing provisional specification, you have 12 months of period. Within that, you can. And what are the advantages? Why do we go for provisional filing? Priority of for invention is possible. No risk of losing priority date. You are the lead. Liberty to develop. So this priority date will be helpful when in case of legal problem, infringement or any other opposition. By that time, it will be liberty to develop. You have enough time, 1 year time to develop the product. Disclose to interested person to obtain financial support. So nowadays investors, they unless you register with IP office, they never think about you as a patent holder. So that is also possible. Investors can ready to invest on your product. Virtually extend the term. Simply you have a more developed virtual duration is available. Utilize for exploring commercial feasibility. So commercialization can be easily possible through your support or your individual thing without having any that is unfair competition. Avoid incurring further expenses if no commercial possibility. Suppose during the 12 months period, you can evaluate whether is there any commercial possibility. If there suppose there is a no scope for further manufacturing or patentability, then you can leave it up. No need to worry about that. No need to invest on. So just you are paying only very simple, little bit amount for the provisional file. And the complete specification or provisional specification, these are the contents required. Similar to almost our journal paper. Title, field of invention, state of the art. Here you need to discuss about the existing problem and problem, solution, objective and of the invention. Detailed description of invention with reference and drawing, which will be there. And one important heart of the document, techno-legal document, is claim. If not, so this is not required. See, that's what I told in the provisional specification. Somewhat it's simple. Simple form specification is called provisional file. Detailed way means claim. Claim is the heart of the document. Through this claim only you can identify your own product. You can describe all the unique features, claims and figures, abstract. These are the important things to be made available in your patent document. That process technically we drafting. This we can do drafting if we have experience, or we can let us give it to patent document experts. They do some charges. I will tell about the charges incurred for filing patents also. The claim content. So unique features, I will give simple example then so that easily you can understand. Say if you take a particular this type of cell phone, so claim can be, so first claim. So the claim can be listed 1, 2, 3. Here a dependent claim, independent claim, linked claim, like that. Several categories are there. So simple way you need to describe the features. That this is unique feature of your product. Assume that this is a very new type of phone, and no such mobile phone is available till that. Then how it should be? A mobile communication terminal comprising of, so list of things, whatever the embodiment of this thing, all should be listed in the first claim. That is a independent claim, basic claim or independent claim. Then it consists of main housing, folder cover, and in this folder cover it has some contains keyboard. So this is a dependent claim of this thing. So likewise, claim is very important. You simply tell the unique features of your product, then the patent attorney or consultant develop the in their own techno-legal language. You just to go through the simple patent, then you can understand the techno-legal language, especially you read the part of claim. So once these documents are available, then you go for patent filing office, IP office. Territorially different, geographically different IP offices are available physically. Nowadays, IP online e-filing facilities also available. Everything all available in this website, www.ipindia.nic.in. So here you need to submit the patent document with that particular office. As far as we have in this southern area, we have Chennai. So all over India, we have New Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, and Ahmedabad also. So for design part. Apart from this, major places are Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. So where you need to go and physically go to the office and place the document, you pay the required fee, then they will do all the process. While submitting the application, what are the forms? Several forms are there. I will list out only key forms which are Form 1, application for the patent. Form 2, basic about you, yourself, applicant. So application, there is a two things are there. Who can file a patent means applicant, inventor. Applicant have more rights over the patent when compared to inventor. So who is applicant, who is inventor, how to classify? Suppose somebody invests money fully supporting for invention, then they will become applicant. Say mostly institution. If you are using the facility and software, everything, suppose costly software available in your college, then you can think about, so mostly college may be applicant, you are the inventor. And, some terms and conditions should be defined between you and inventor and applicant. There is an institute or a company, how the commercial terms and conditions. So in case of profit, how it can be shared. That and all you need to go for some legal document. Legal document should be there. Then Form 2, complete or provisional specification. This is what I said. The earlier I have seen, what it contains. This is the content of this is a Form 2. Form 3, foreign filing details. Suppose you are going to file patent in foreign countries also. If it is applicable, you need to file it or simply leave the form. Form 5, declaration of inventorship. Who are all the inventors? We need to give, declare all the inventors. Form 18, request for examination. So within 48 months, it should be done. Request for early publication, this is optional. If you want to, when this condition is required, early publication, suppose your product is very, very critically to be examined and it's a very much commercial value, you need to start immediately. Then you can go for early publication so that everybody can view your published material, patent idea in the published material. So they, if want, they can give any opposition. By the time it will be used to clarify the options. There is a very clear way to get a patent. So these are the basic forms for while filing the patent. Then after checking the formal requirement, they will give the receipt, cash receipt with the standard thing, and within a 2 day they will give. Here you need to verify whether the title is correct, name, inventor, applicant, everything should be correct. You should be, and date and time is very, very important. So filing can be done through physical, say Chennai office, for example, or you can go for online. That is IP India Online gov.in. So IP India is basic website. So through that IP India Online, you can go with go for online filing, for which you need digital signature. Then you can proceed. Payment of all can be done in online. Or both the things are very inconvenient for you. Then you can go for by post. That should be in registered post. You should not send through ordinary post. Then they will send the receipt also by here and email also nowadays. The copy original will be sent by the post. So publication, this almost we have covered. We will rush through quickly. Publication, this is a patent journal publication. So what are the uses of publication? So once it is published in the journal, gives opportunity to public for presentation or pre-grant opposition. Before grant of patent, they may oppose. They may be your competitors, like that. determines facts of the application's priority. Priority date is very clear. So that is what very advantageous part. Invention becomes prior art. Priority date is for your better for your legal part. No other can file similar application for patent. Suppose already filed, it's available, made available. I cannot file. I don't need to file. I don't need to invest on that particular patent. That even I see you may in worldwide the same similar idea can be think by many people. So likewise, others may leave the idea. It may be applicable for you also. If you have an idea, you go and search on the patent journal. If similar to already filed patent, you don't need to think about for process or development. Interested parties may contact applicant. If anybody interested on that product or want to manufacture, want to go for commercialize, then they may reach you. Request for examination is, and in the examination part, we have another category called expedited examination. For these categories, up to we see A to J, we have several categories. Or simply means startup. If it is a government oriented, if it's a very emergency, it will be, say for example, now current pandemic period, you are developing a new type of drug or antivirus for that. So immediately they will consider for patent. They don't wait for 2 to 4 years. In that way, these are the various eligibility conditions for which you can go for expedited examination. You need to apply separately. So the examination, here examiner. So after application of request for examination, so the highest position in the examination or IP office is controller. So controller will allot to the examiner within 1 month from the date of request for examination. Then he will take 3 months examine your part, patentabilities or criteria, everything. They will do all the complete analysis and give the first examination report, that is called the FER. So that is within 1 to 3 months they have to give, the examiner has to submit that to controller of the any IP office. Then controller checks, and within 6 months he will give the report, the first examination report to the first examination report. So normally this will take 2 to 3 years to get FER. Right nowadays, see the same scenario. If you consider 3 back or 4 years back, it's totally different. 5 years plus it will take. But now the new government, no, Indian government are making a lot of policy wise in the IP affairs. Then response from the applicant. So after receiving the FER, he has to respond within 6 months. Put together 12, he has to respond. After considering for examination, within 1 year it should be completely considered or grant or not. So after that, they check for pre-grant opposition. Any filed for pre-grant opposition. Then if it is so, then that will be given to the inventor. Then we need to clarify. As an inventor, we need to clarify that opposition. Whether it is a similar idea or a dissimilar idea, we need to give with enough proofs and experiment. After that, they will decide whether any opposition quite similar document is available, similar patent is available. In that case, if the patent is not eligible, then they will discard the patent based upon the opposition. Otherwise, they go for consideration of pre-grant opposition. Based on that consideration, they will grant the patent. Once the patent is granted, then also we have another grant opposition. Within 6 months, suppose by the time you may not aware of those particular patent granted such product, then you are supposed that to be done within 6 months. Okay, fine. Within 6 months, also you can go opposition. That and all taken care by separate legal body available in the IP office, that is called IP appellate board. So similar to court. So IP Appellate Board and High Court and Supreme Court. Through that, legally you can consult. Till that, Patent Office will take care till 6 months of post grant. grant. Afterwards, you need to go for IPAB, Intellectual Property Appellate Board, the court like, then High Court or Supreme Court. Supreme Court is so ultimate, similar to other laws. So these are the filing process. So now you see the organization part in the office. So it comes under Ministry of Industry and Commerce, I&C. So general controller of the Controller General is top is here, under which examiners are available for different types of IPs. Say for example, design wing is available only at Kolkata, and patent office Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. If you want to go for design, you need to file only through e-filing through Kolkata or by post also, that's possible. Design only available Kolkata, patent Kolkata, Delhi, all the 4 offices. Trademark, see Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad also having one more office for trade registry. And geographical indication only at Chennai. And patent information service available in Nagpur. This is not at all related to IP filing. This is only for patent service, patent information services. So IP at New Delhi. So what are the costs involved? Many of you may ask costs. What way we need to invest? What about that? Suppose I want to file, how much it costs? So these all the categories, it attracts cost. Patent search, open source, free of cost, but mostly if it is a very critical patent, we need to go through search through patent consent. That may cost 3,000 to 10,000 per patent idea. Filing in office itself costs. So another category of filing is also any person, any individual person, if you file, that is a very much less, 1,800 per patent, if it is any type of filing. If it is a concern, any company, entity, say college like or any organization, industry, then the cost will be 8,000. So likewise, it will vary. Then filing cost is that's all. Then by the time you need to think about filing cost, it includes page filing, early publication, records for examination. This is all additional cost. Every filing, every application you need to file separately. So certain things are optional. And translation, this is required only for international files. Suppose Korean, China, if you take all the patent document are in their own language. Except these very few countries, everybody, they are using standard language is English, so no translation is required. The translation is required 2 ways you need to think about. One is translation required for legal part, means you need to go for expert translator, for which we need to pay more cost. But for simple to understand the patentability search or novelty search, this and all simply we can use our Google Translator or the search engine itself, its own patent translation software is available. And for objection and opposition, to handle this objection opposition, the attorney may ask charges for as a consultancy charges you need to pay. And maintenance renewal, this is also cost to be paid to the IP office. Suppose patent is granted, after grant, after second year onwards, you need to renew your patent or any IP also. Patent will be much more costly than any other IP. Renewal fee also there. If it is not renewed every year, then it will become invalidate, where it's equivalent to withdrawn or it becomes a public asset. You cannot have any own rights. Then intelligence to locate infringement. These and all say infringement. Suppose duplicate products are there, based upon your patent. Then in order to locate this and all, you need to go for consultancy. Based on that, you need to pay for that. Identify how to tackle legal part. You need to face the court, and you need to sue thing on their opposite parties. These and all you need to, and all other legal parts. So these are the major things. And in IP office, in our case, SIP scheme is there for most of our, many of your students are there. So hence this will be useful for you. there is a scheme for startup intellectual property protection. So here the fees, many fees, attorneys, consultancy fees and all, you no need to pay. This government SIP scheme will be taken. If you registered as a startup, then with that registration number, you can file a patent. You can approach the patent facilitators. This is available in the ipindia.nic.in website itself. You can check the eligibility condition, everything. Then government will take care. Now it was launched long back. The validity period earlier was up to 2020, the April of this year. Now again it is extended in order to promote more startups. It is extended till 2023. That's all about the patent part. So now we think about what actually the infringement means. Already told. So any identical or substantial similar reproduction is involved without knowledge of the owner, then that is called infringement. Then these court cases, punishments, all are there. Damage injunctions are similar to other cases. See, you know that more legal cases are going between the very popular products are nowadays mobile phones, Apple, HTC, Samsung, many things are there. By the time Steve Jobs, Apple CEO, said in statement, we think competition is healthy, but competitors should create their own original technology, not steal ours. So the crucial, critical word that he spelled out, that is a steal, so not a simple word. So such a way they are very much affected because of infringement. They invested lot of money to overcome this problem, and at the same time they got compensation also. And lastly, I will give, we have limited time, I will give some simple tips about the patent search. The patent search is a very separate category. For this itself, it will take another 1 hour or 1.5 hour demo and all. Now I am going to very briefly give the importance of patent search. So very important technical inventive step or novelty part is to be identified whether it is a new or already available. You need to go for patent search. So in this filing process, so the second part is search, or in search also different types are there. We think about it is required to go for patentability search for people like us to go for filing patents. Your need for patent search. See why it is required. Not all the fields patents are granted. Similarly, how can you say this is a patentable? It should be new. In order to validate this word called new or non-obviousness, novel, so then you need to go for this patent search. So other parallel advantages are there. You know about the product, you know about the competitors, how your product is different than others. If similar, how you input, add some additional concepts so that your product will be unique, and you can find the commercial value, competing companies also, everything you know about that. That will be helpful for commercialization and licensing part. Searching can be done very simple way, we will discuss. So one way is keyword. Keyword search is very popular, we know, easily you can do it. And another category is there, that is a more technical methods are there, that and all we are not going to touch. That is called classification based. Classification means all over the world, all the inventors are classified like this. International patent classification, US patent classification, likewise separate types are there. But now as the world shrinks because of the technology, we are using only international patent classification and cooperative patent classification, CPC. These two are very popular. These two are enough. I will tell where it is used. So all the invention categories are classified like this: classes, subclasses, groups, subgroups. So this is particular international classification number, patent classification number. This A means these are the various categories. Classes and subclasses, A61, like this, it goes. A is subsection, 61 is class, 61F is subclass, A61F, L is group, 27 is subgroup. Likewise, nearly 5 labelings are there. By using 5 indices, you can classify easily a number of things. So by using this classification codes also you can search. Very simply, you can search means don't go for this. These are all very complicated. I will give some more demo on this. Before that, what are the patent search open space? There is open where space country-wise search engines are available. In India, INPAS is available. Indian Patent Advanced Research. Simply you type INPAS in Google, you can easily get into the here. See, various simple advanced searches are available. Easily you can search by using keywords. You don't need to worry about any IPC or any codings. This is a patent. The European Space Net. This is a very popular website. JPO. Don't worry, I will rush through to make the without the time almost. So going to over. It's a Japanese. I will give the slides and all to you so that easily you can this patent scope. This is from WIPO. I told about WIPO, no, World Intellectual Property Organization. So this is international level, international administrating body, not registering body. You cannot file any patent with WIPO. WIPO organizing lot and lot of facilitation center, act as a facilitation center worldwide to file a patent or file any IPs. They have created many types of treaties, agreement. PCT, I told you, no, Patent Cooperation Treaty, international filing, they only develop WIPO. So like the WIPO also having a patent scope. So this 2 years back only India got member for WIPO. Till that India, no. So after this new government, there is a current BJP government, they are doing much better on IP side, IPR side, because see, they only introduced the policy, IPR policy for India. They developed the policy. I think they launched in May 2015 itself. IPR policy with some objectives. You go through the website, you will get some idea. Patent scope also another website. And these are the various websites are available for patent database. Free public sources are, say, eSpace, what I said, no, is up to this. So free sources are available. Independent, free sources, patentlens.org. I will give the website name also at the end. Google Patent, very easily available means Google Patent. Now they have introduced advanced patent search also. You can, and these and all paid. Micropatent, Delphion, QPatent, like this. These are all paid, so it costs around few lakhs to 10 lakhs plus per license per user. So these are the various databases available. You can go through and dig in it. You simply search. I will give a simple demo on Google Patent. So this is the either you go for Google Patent or patent.google. Then it's very important keywords. Very, very important is keyword. So how the keywords should be selected? That means simple words. Try to use very simple words, not much on technical words. For example, fan can be called as a electrically rotating machine. Light can be represented as a electrically illuminating device. Likewise, you use only layman words, that will be more convenient. So what is the major challenge in the search means, see, I have used this Google patent search for this illustration. I have given these 4 keywords: electrical, fan, remote control. So I want to know, I want to develop an electrical, that is a fan with remote control. I want to search in the patent search, what are the different types of patents available. So when I use the keyword electrical, fan, remote control, it gives 3,10,532 results. Do you think is it possible to go through this number of lakhs and lakhs of patents? No. So the major challenge is you need to narrow down the search. How? By using appropriate keywords. See here, I have narrowed down and got, see, electrical, fan, light, remote. Light I have introduced. Not only fan, light. So it's reduced to 1,38,394. It's a simple illustration, just to have an idea. Look it into it. Again, still I want to go for narrow down it. So combined word, combined fan and light. Then same thing. Then it's reduced, see, 1,38,000 to 4,474. Now it's somewhat easier when compared to 3 lakhs. So likewise, see, by using carefully selecting the keywords, you can narrow down on reducing the number of patent searches or search results. Then once you get into the patent document will be with IPC code or CPC code. Then again, by using that particular CPC code or some other different keywords, you can search again. Through that way also you can narrow down. That is also another way. So in this way you can do the patent search. So till now we have seen about the basics, fundamentals, types, copyright, patent, filing, prosecution, filing process, and patent search. So these are some quite useful websites for your patent search part. So Indian government they are doing a lot of wonders to carry out the IP portfolios. See, there is another option called patent examiners. You can become patent examiners. Every year they conduct, but I think 2020 they have planned to conduct. Because of the pandemic, they may extend the period. You just click Google for patent examiners, patent examination. Then automatically they will give. Say they have fixed some date that and all now ruled out because of this pandemic period. You can have some better career in that area also. Those who are interested in that particular drafting and techno-legal part, you can become a patent examiner. For that, you need to write examination that is conducted by this IP India office yearly once. Now they are conducting two years once only. So after that, only 2 years back, they have recruited more number of examiners. So that is what more changes in the patent filing and patent granting results. Now earlier I told 4 to 5 years it takes to grant, but now they go for reduce the period to 2 years. Within 3 years they can get the first examination report, and they have focused on more on Make in India, Hackathon, Digital India. Different innovations are taken up in this IP promotion area also. I want to insist finally before conclude my session. Sorry, I will take another 5 minutes. 2 things we need to keep in mind while think about patent or IPR. So IP filing in India, when we think about statistics, 2 important category we need to think. One is quantity of IPs. How much? See, the graph shows patent files 2009 to 2018. So this orange, this color shows non-resident. This is other countries. This is by our own country. This we filed in abroad. You don't bother about this abroad. You just check this in 2009 when compared to this chart and this chart. Very, very minimum. Only 20% of the Indian people are filing in India when compared to foreign people. Say for example, 100 patents, 80% are filed by filing in India by NRs. That means, sorry, NR, that is a non-resident of India, that is a foreign people, but our people, we are filing only 20%. So this shows that we are very much lack of awareness. We need to improve this quantity, but because of this several innovative ideas and setups, see in 2018, see the difference between this and this is almost Only here, only 20% means 25% means here it goes 50%. Almost we are moving ahead better, but still we need to improve. This is 18, so now it gets still increased. This is one way. We need to file more patents. That means we are aware of, we know how to file, what is patent. Where see many things we might have missed out to file a patent. That is what I'm worrying. So that is why quantity is very important thing. Another thing is quality. How can you evaluate the quality? All the filed patents are not granted. There also only 20%, 20 to 25 or even 30% only granted out of filed patents. That means innovativeness, novelty, the three conditions I told, no, that is not at all checked properly. There we need to involve more. Whether it's worth to file a patent, not to have a filing status. We need to get a patent. So in that way, immediately we don't need to think about that. But soon we should be more. We need to create awareness to more people. We should be creative and innovative. We should go forward to file more patents. So this is a number game. Very simple. 80-20 Pareto principle. When we file more, automatically more. The filing itself, we are lagging means automatically we are also lagging in granted part also. So that is why, so quality and quantity to be improved. Hope this session is useful for you. If you have any clarification, kindly raise your doubts. I will conclude the session here. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Any doubts are there?
Sir, can you give some examples
You can.
of utility patents and what is it exactly?
Utility, actually, utility patent, we are not using that word. We are so utility patent is used mainly in US, but here we are focusing only two types of patent, that is called product or process. So one way you can say product as a utility patent when compared to US law or technical term. Here our product patent is called a utility patent. That is all, madam. They are using that word, but we are using only product or process patent.
Just only the word differs, sir.
Yeah, word differ. They are using the utility patent. Here we are using product patent. That means they are focusing on application. I told about three conditions. No, those three main condition is they think that application is very much important. So that is why any equipment used for any application, that can be called as a utility patent over.
Sir, regarding design patents, sir, for example, if the students are doing some project, if they are filing design patent, means is there any use? Because it will not give any commercial benefit, right, sir? So give some knowledge about that, sir.
No, madam. No, madam. Any IP will give commercial value, but when compared to when we compare with patent, all others will be little bit less. That may not, we cannot give tell exactly that all design will not be giving. I will give one more example. Before that, I want to clarify that suppose a product is there. This can be categorized three parts. One is product patent, another one is process patent, whether it involves any process or whether it is a product, that you need to categorize. Design is separate. Design is cannot, as a technical, if you see, design is a separate IP, not a design patent. Instead, we can call it as a design, simply design IP. So if anything design, any new design is available, one of the embodiment of particular product, the designed product is it involves new design, then that particular embodiment only can be applied for design. And all other equipment, the complete equipment can be submitted for patent. But sure, design will have more commercial value. It depends upon the, so especially if you see the ergonomical part of our furnitures, there you will have more design involves. All the design, ergonomical design, if you see, all will have more value, even sometimes than patent. We can focus, when we have a product, you think about product patent or design patent, or say that is a design IP or process patent.
Thank you, sir. So one more question, sir. Sir, when we are drafting the patent, people are telling that always the patent agent is better. We could not write that much efficient like that, especially claims and methodologies, figures. So you just share your view about that, sir. Can we write that better or?
100% correct. 100% correct, madam. Very simple. Very simple. If we have an asset, say 1 acre in rural area, 1 acre in rural area, and 5 cents in Coimbatore bus stand, nearby Coimbatore bus stand, right? So here, see the difference between the value of the product. Here, do you think that you are going to write a document for registration, or you give it to document to the document writer? You decide easily whether to be given it to expert, that is attorney or consultant, drafting part, or by one. We can write nothing hard, but we should have some enough expertise. Instead of learning that expertise, by the time we should have given it to consultant, then it can be filed. Even with, otherwise, in other words, instead of concentrating on documentation part or drafting part, you can concentrate on innovative or critical thinking. That area you can, it's better, because each and every claim is very, very important. Suppose you file a patent on multiple blade with fan. For example, if you draft, for example, a fan, a rotating machine with more than 2 blades, or you can write it as a 3 blades. That's the fan wings I am telling. So in that case, if effective patent expert means, they will write it as a more than 3 blades or more than 3 wings. That means anybody invented new fan with even 4 wings or 5 wings, that is also comes under our claim. So no one can claim against us. So that is why it's better to give and go for drafting with experts. It's better.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can we, after publishing the patent, that is pre-publication, can we add inventors, or can we add some more claims? Is that possible, sir?
It's possible. It's possible, madam. Provided we have to complete some formalities, that is official formalities. It's possible. If every other inventors and applicant accepts, then it's possible. Even the claim part is there. No claim part. You can go for, I told in the initial part, patent of addition. By using that, you can go with that. So new claim to be added. So that means you are going to add some new feature. That can be by using patent of addition. You can change the claim. You resubmit the document along with the first document.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your response. Thank you so much.
Fine, madam. Thank you. Thank you. Any other doubts? Okay, I think if there is any doubts, then we will wind up, I think. Thank you for your patient listening. In continuation to this webinar series, tomorrow we will have that session regarding the technical part, trend in technology or trending technology, IoT and smart manufacturing side, that respectively day tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And hope you have enjoyed the session, and hope you will enjoy the forthcoming sessions also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Over to Surya.
Thank you, sir. The feedback is available in the chat forum, and also it will be circulated in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. The participant can leave the session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.